pretty cool technology. AI-powered cooking assistants use sensors, cameras, and smart algorithms to understand and interact with the cooking process. They can recognize ingredients, measure quantities, and even adjust cooking times and temperatures for perfect results. Some AI assistants even come equipped with robotic arms that can chop vegetables, stir sauces, and even plate your food like a pro. Here's the fun part. AI isn't just about making cooking easier, it's about making it more creative. Imagine having a personal sous chef that never tires, always has fresh ideas, and can help you elevate your culinary game to new heights. AI can analyze millions of recipes, identify flavor combinations, and even predict trends in the culinary world. It's like having access to the collective knowledge of the best chefs from around the globe right at your fingertips. Imagine being able to experiment with unusual ingredients and create dishes that surprise and delight. AI can suggest unexpected ingredient pairings that you might never have thought of, opening up a world of culinary possibilities. Want to try a new twist on your favorite pasta dish? AI can help. Whether it's adding a unique spice or combining flavors in a novel way, AI can guide you to create something truly special. Looking for healthy and delicious dessert ideas? AI can suggest recipes that are not only nutritious, but also satisfy your sweet tooth. From low-calorie treats to nutrient-packed delights, the options are endless. AI has got you covered. It can help you find the perfect balance between health and taste, ensuring that your desserts are both guilt-free and delicious. With AI as your culinary partner, you can explore endless possibilities in the kitchen. From experimenting with new ingredients to perfecting classic recipes, AI provides the inspiration and guidance you need. And the best part? You get to impress your friends and family with your newfound cooking skills. Imagine the joy and satisfaction of serving a meal that's not only delicious, but also a testament to your creativity and innovation in the kitchen. The future of cooking is here, and it's powered by AI. Imagine a world where smart kitchens can anticipate your needs, automatically order groceries, and create personalized dining experiences tailored to your taste buds. That's the power of AI in the kitchen. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting innovations that will transform the way we cook, eat, and experience food. So get ready to embrace the future of food. It's going to be delicious.